So I got the PHIXERO 7-port USB 3.2 hub with the charging PD connector. This is a USB 3 hub. I will use it for my desk over here, where I'm gonna have my computer sitting on my server rack. So this is what's gonna connect all the devices through a USB hub over here. So over here we have the USB hub right off the bat. It's angled at 90 degrees, so it will sit well on the desk. Looks pretty good. It's gonna sit right here. Maybe I will double side tape this thing, or like here or something. It looks great on the desk. Let's see. We have the accessories over here. We have a power cord to provide the external power if you connect like external hard drives and everything, and this is what's going to connect to the computer. It's a USB type C to type A, as you can see, and yeah, it looks very good. So right now I'm going to, and you have the manual over here, the manual for it, PHIXERO, whatever. So right now I'm going to connect it to my computer over there. Still have my computer over there, still haven't rack mounted it yet. That will come soon in the future, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let me test this thing. I'll plug it into the computer and we'll see, connect a few devices and see how it goes. Okay, so now we have the device on. Let me just grab like USB flash drives or some shit. See how it goes. Yeah, it's kind of hard to plug it in like that. Okay, that's in. It's already launched my USB flash drive. Let's grab another one. Okay, that's another one. And now I'm going to, well, I don't have a charger. Oh, it asks me to format. Yeah, it's good, it's okay. Let me access a different USB flash drive over here. And I'm gonna get my external hard drive over here. PHIXERO works well so far. Yeah, it's kind of like disconnecting the other one. Good lord, it's hard to do that with one hand. Okay, now we connected the external hard drive that I have here, which has an SSD in it, so it's not really that serious. Yeah, this one is busted. Let's see where we have the other one. So basically I think that's pretty much it. Hold on a second. Now this is, I'm going to do a real test to it. Let me disconnect this one right here, and yeah, I'm gonna connect my external hard drive, my mechanical external hard drive. Okay, here we go. And yeah, I think that's enough. I think that's enough devices for now. Yeah. And it's connected the external hard drive. All of the devices are connected right now, so it's working well. Now this USB hub that I'm gonna have here, it will be let me do a transfer real quick. This will be used for with a USB 3 extension cable, like a 25 meters or something. So that would be the real test. Right now it's just a dry run, if you will. And here we go. Let's see the transfer to my hard drive over here. Let's see how it goes. Wow, nice. Yeah. Wow, so it works well. Okay, cool. Wow, so this USB hub is legit. I just have to test it with yeah. I want to test it with what do you call it? The extension cable. Right now I'm going to transfer it to my USB flash drive. This one, the Kingston one. Yeah, this one is bad. It's a flash drive. Yeah, it's really bad. Flash drives are bad for transfers. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Anyway, the PHIXERO USB 7-port USB 3 hub is really legit. I really like it. I like it that it's on an angle. I connected the power supply for it to supply power. Right now I'm going to plug my charger. Let me just steal the cable. I think it's right here. Yeah, this one right here. Let me just steal it right just for a few seconds, just to try to charge my device. I want to see. That way I could have a charger on my desk over there and charge it through the USB hub, which is cool. I'll get like a standalone cable or something. I'll plug it to my phone right here. Okay, and it's charging. It says fast charging. Okay, wow, so this is legit. This shit is legit. It actually does fast charging just like a charger would. You see? I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, it's disappearing. It's not focusing, but it says fast charging. Cool. So this thing is legit. It connects all my devices like really easily. And yeah, I'm obviously gonna use this one for my yeah, you know, just to transfer some files if I need to connect my external hard drive. Even though my computer is gonna be in the same room, so I could just like walk over there and connect the hard drive. External hard drive directly to the computers. But if I was in a different like a different room, like in a different environment, that this would still work like a charm. You saw like it's working really well. But we have to see how it's gonna work with the extension cable, of course. But I think it's gonna work well. Yeah, I think it's gonna work well regardless. So yeah, we'll see. But for now, I can tell that this one is legit. So yeah, that's pretty much been the video about the PHIXERO 7-port USB 3 hub. It's a great product. I totally recommend it. It works well, and just what you would expect from a USB hub, really. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for the rack mounting project that I'm gonna do for my personal computer. It's gonna be right there with the server. What's underneath is my extension direct attached storage that I would use in the future. That's in the future. That's not right now. And this one is the case that I'm gonna use to rack mount my personal PC. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.